how we can draw your circles on the images. Okay, so here let's draw the circle now. So now we are going to draw circle on the images. So here what we are going to do is, again we need to import numpy as np, and also we need to import our OpenCV that we imported using CV2. Alright, now let's create our image. So img equals to, again we are going to create our dark image. So np dot zeros, and here we'll pass the dimensions. So here it is going to be again of 512 comma 512 size, and it has 3 channels. Okay, next what we need to do is we need to draw a circle on this image. So we will write cv2 dot will give circle. So we want to draw circle here. So cv2 dot circle, and we want to draw this circle on our img, that is image, right? Here we will give comma, and again we need to specify the circle, your coordinate, center of the coordinate, where should be our center, right? So here we need to specify the coordinate of the center as well. So here we will just give it as 120 comma 120. Okay, now after we have done it, we need to specify the radius of the circle as well, right? So here let's give this radius as 63 comma, now we can specify the color combination of this circle, the border color of this circle. So here we will just write 255 comma 0 comma 255. You can play around with the color. You can give any values between 0 to 255. There is okay, and now here we are going to give the line width. Let's say we give it as 3. Now we will just write cv2 dot imso, cv2 dot imso, and here we want to show this image, right? So here we'll just write image. So cv2 dot imso, we name this window as image, and we want to show our image in that window, right? Now we need to write cv2 dot weight key, cv2 dot weight key, and we'll leave it empty. cv2 dot destroy window, to destroy all the windows, to destroy all windows. All right, so we are done now. Let's save this, and again let's run it. So here we are getting this circle on our image, dark image that we have created. Now if I press any button, it will be closed. So let's get back to our idle, and here I can just write -1, and this circle will be filled again. So let's write -1 over here, and again if we run this, again we'll get this image as filled. Now if you want to change the radius, you can play around with it. Here I can change this radius. Let's say we make this as 83 now, 83, and save it. Now let's run it. Now we are getting it more bigger, right? More bigger circle. You can also change the coordinates. So you go out and play out with it. Here I can also change this color combination. I can have, let's say, 185. Here let's say we have 65, and we have 255. Now it will be of different color. Okay, now we are getting it as white. Okay, let's close this, and here again let's go back, and here let's change this to, let's say we have it as 180 only, and now let's save this and run it. So again we are getting this in white color, right? Because this combination turns out to be white. Let's make this as 255 here. Let's make it as 255, save this and run it. Again it is showing us in white color. So you can play around with this color. Let's remove this -1. Let's make it 4 here. So now let's run it. We're getting a circle with just the boundaries, not filled circle, right? So this is how we are going to draw your circle. So let's change this to 255 and save it and run this. Okay, so you're getting this white combination here. You need to play around with this to get the different values. Okay, we have added maximum intensities, so we are getting your 255, sorry, white color. Okay, you can change that as well. So here we have seen how we are going to draw this circles, right? In next video, we know how to draw your rectangles and circles. We'll talk about how we are going to depict the faces in given image using OpenCV.
I hope you have enjoyed watching it. If you have liked our content, please do hit like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more useful content and exciting updates. If you want to learn such practical content at an affordable cost with Microsoft certification and instructor support, please register at academy.codegnan.com. You can also download app from Play Store as Codegnan. Never hesitate to raise queries in the comment section, and please do reply with your suggestions for more practical videos. We'll be happy to come up with it. Thank you.